The challenge alum Robin Hibbard is going to trial for her latest arrest as she remains in a Florida jail amid her severe drug addiction. Robin, 43, was arrested on April 2, 2023, and charged with violation of domestic violence injunction. She was hit with a restraining order by her family in April 2022 after she was accused of abusing drugs on their property. The U.S. Sun can exclusively reveal Robin did not appear in court on May 9 for her arraignment, as her lawyer filed a waiver of appearance because she is currently in custody. The Florida judge set a pretrial conference for June 6 and a jury trial for June 13. Robin remains behind bars on $2,000 bond. Latest arrest. In her police mugshot obtained by the U.S. Sun, Robin appeared completely unrecognizable and worse for wear. Her face appeared gaunt and her hair was dyed a copper color. The incident report read, was harassing the victim and standing, pacing on the driveway at residence, displaying aggression. There is an active protection order against the defendant, which was served to the defendant on 4/14/2022. The protection order expires on 4/13/2027. The protection order requires the defendant to not be within 500 feet of the victim's residence and to not communicate with the victim in any way. Thus, the defendant is currently violating the order. The family member observed her violating the protection order while watching her through the residence's living room while on the phone with the police. Restraining order. As the U.S. Sun previously reported, Robin's family member filed an injunction for protection from domestic violence against her on April 5, 2022. The family member claimed Robin has been unemployed for 5 years and listed her address as unknown. The family member claimed Robin jumped the gate to their backyard and danced around on drugs. The family member claimed she tried to break into the locked screen porch. She allegedly got in and slept there for 3 days and continued her drug use. The protection order read, watched her inject something in her arm with a needle. She was told multiple times to leave and not use drugs on our property, but did not leave and threatened us repeatedly. Finally, she became irate on 3/31/2022 and caused such a loud commotion on the carport and front yard, screaming loudly and destroying scaping that the neighbors called the police. Robin stormed off when police arrived at the home. Officers informed the family of how to file for a protection order and attempted to locate the former MTV star. The narrative ended, has been using drugs and stealing money and other pawnable items from us for the last 5 or 6 years. She has broken windows, screens, and destroyed landscaping. She threatened us with physical harm several times. She has struck and pushed me on several occasions when asked not to use illegal drugs and to leave our property.